Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 7 is online and ready. Connect to Wi-Fi or cellular and check battery so the process won't stall. Once done, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone at the top. This begins the Apple ID flow. If you don't have an account, create one now using your email and a secure password. Make sure your device is up to date in General Software Update before continuing. You'll now enter your Apple ID and password. Type carefully and use copy and paste if needed to avoid errors. After signing in, handle two-factor authentication. Approve the request on a trusted device or type the verification code sent to your phone. Once verified, the phone will offer iCloud services. Decide whether to merge or replace local data. Also review iCloud keychain and photos options so passwords and photos sync correctly. Finally, allow the device to finish syncing in the background. Finish by enabling Find My iPhone and turning on iCloud backup so your data is protected and recoverable. Make sure your payment and shipping details are correct in Settings Payment and Shipping if you plan to buy apps or subscriptions. If you're transferring the device, sign out and erase all content. If something goes wrong, like incorrect password or verification not arriving, try restarting the phone, check network connectivity, and request a new verification code. Those steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.